For our funded and focused feature, your business has to step up and operate at a higher level when you seek funding from a government contract. Why? Because winning a contract introduces reporting obligations. A business must produce progress updates, financial reports, and compliance documentation, which are mandatory. It is important that businesses meet reporting standards and avoid penalties or contract termination. As an example, our client Trevon, who operates a solar equipment installation business, experienced misreports that nearly triggered penalties. However, with professional systems, reporting became routine and not stressful.